Okay, so we are on Jalan Imam Bonjol. It's really busy here today. We're right opposite the Trans Studio Mall here. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the bus to the airport. We'll show you the proper way to get the bus. A lot of people get taxis and all that. They're paying a lot of money, you know, 20 bucks. I heard of some people even paying 30 bucks for taxis and that to the airport. This costs you like 4,040 cents or something like that. So we're going to hop on the bus. We'll show you how to use the app, how to get on the bus. We'll head to the airport. You can go to the international and the domestic airport. So let's do it. So you can see the sign here on this post, Shelter Bus Transmetro Dewata. That is the bus stop, so that's where we've got to wait more or less here on the footpath. So you just got to hope that you can get on the right bus, because if you look on the app it'll tell you exactly what number bus to get on, or it should have Nurah Rai Airport or the Bandara written on the front of the bus. We'll see what happens when the bus gets here. Okay, so this is the bus here. Alright, so first card, it's in here. Alright. And that's as easy as that, just tap your card. I've got a FAS card from the BCA Bank. So you can also buy the cards like Indomart, Alphamart, places like that. But you cannot just buy these unless you've got a bank account from the BCA Bank. Alright, so the driver said that the Mandiri Bank, the BRI Bank and BNI Bank, you can get a card to use, but you can't at the BCA Bank.
Metro Dewata with bus number TB201. Next stop, Central Parkir Kuta Luar Timur. This bus serves line 2, heading to Nurah Rai International Airport. Please transit here to the Terminal Persiapan with line 1, Polytechnic Negeri Bali or TT Banda with line 5, and ITDC the Nusa Dua with line 6.
Okay, so the bus actually tells you in Indonesian and then in English where it's going to, what stop it's at, how far you are from where you're going, and this bus goes right through to Nusa Dua. Okay, so the driver was telling us that it goes to the international, you can go to the domestic, you can get off at either spot or get on at either spot. We'll see how long it takes to get there. Okay. Alright, so as you saw, the driver's actually got cards on him, and you can buy a 20,000 or a 50,000, like a $2 or $5 card. Should be enough to get you anywhere. It's only about 4,000 for the trip, I think. So if you just ask the driver when you get on, he'll actually sell you a card. And then you can actually top up those cards like Alphamart, Indomart. You can actually use your Grab app or Gojek app to pay for the bus as well. So as long as you've got money on the account on your Grab or your Gojek, you can use that as well. Okay, so you can more or less go all the way to Ubud. You've got to change bus once, so it's just 4,000 on each time. So it's 2 different buses to get to Ubud, cost you 80 cents. Can't beat that. So, and it's probably just as quick as in the car. So you can go to Sanur, you can go to Nusa Dua, you can go anywhere. Just check out the app for the routes, and wherever there's a connecting line you've got to get off and maybe change buses. Okay, so I'll show you how to download the app. You just go to Google Play, you put in Trans Metro Dewata. Trans Metro Dewata. Install, allow, sign in with Google, continue with Southern Cross, and that's it. You are signed in with Google, and that's it, while using the app, and that's your app. Now this will give you everything you need about the buses. This is the All Bus, gives you all your bus routes, information, so different places like, you know, Central Parker is the main one around Kuta. You know, there'll be different ones here. Nearby bus, and it'll show you actually a map with the nearest buses on it. And you can scroll down, it's all in English, so it makes it easy. But anyway, if you're looking for your bus, you check out what buses go where, and you can always zoom in on the map and see what buses go where. So today we'll be taking one from Trans Mall through to the airport. A lot of people don't know you can get the airport bus, and it's a lot cheaper. It's like 4,000 or something like that, which is 40 cents. Now if you zoom up on your map, you can actually see all the buses. You can click on a bus and track it, and you can actually see them moving. You see they're waiting at the traffic lights here. This is the Central Parker where they all park them at night. Yeah, so you can actually follow your buses. You can see them here moving. Look, there's two buses going each way, passing each other there. And this is the way you'll track the bus, waiting for it to come. If you're not sure on the timetable, you can always just look at the app. You see there's buses moving here, up to the traffic lights. So it's a good app. You can click, when you do zoom up, all these little blue spots are the bus stops. So they stop everywhere. There's just so many stops all the way. So, and it doesn't take long to get to the airport. From where we're going, the Trans Mall, about here, opposite the Trans Mall. They stop in the front of the Trans Mall going towards Denpasar, and opposite that there's a Circle K. They stop out the front of that. But this bus routes go from everywhere. They go from all the way up at starting Tabanan. They go all the way to Ubud. They come from Sanur. If you want to just go to Sukawati Market for the day and you don't want to get a grab or a car or something like that, just get on the bus and go to the markets, you know. It's an easy form of transport. And there's the airport right there. There's a plane coming in, Lion Air. So it's basically taken us a little bit less than 20 minutes. By the time we get to the airport, it'll probably be about 20, 22 minutes. So it's pretty quick. If you're going from Central Park or in Kuta, probably be only 12 to 15 minutes max. You know? About the same as it taking in a car.
Next stop, International Terminal, Nurah Rai International Airport. This bus serves Line 2, heading to Nurah Rai International Airport.
First stop here is the international airport, then I'll go through the domestic airport. So if we're ever flying domestically, we always just get the bus, so we don't have to leave our motorbike for a week or two at the airport parking pay. So this is the international downstairs where you get off, and then it'll go on through to domestic.
Terminal Internasional, Bandara Internasional Nurah Rai.
As you can see, there's a sign here, the international bus stop. You wait here, get back on the bus,
Saat
go back
ini,
into Kuta.
Anda berada di Transmetro Dewata.
01. We're headed to the final stop, Domestic Terminal, Nurah Rai International Airport. Please check your belongings and step carefully. Thank you for using Transmetro Dewata.
So this bus actually goes through to Abong in Batabulan. It goes right through Denpasar and right through to Batabulan, the main terminal. So I hope this video can help you getting the bus to the airport. It's a lot cheaper option. It's a good way to do it, really. So if you're close to a bus stop or thinking you can get there and you want to save a bit of money, you're on a budget, check out the bus system.